So I've had these solar pathway lights running in my front yard for a little over 2 years now, and they've held up way better than I expected. I originally grabbed them just to try out some low maintenance lighting for the driveway, but since then they've become a permanent part of the landscape. Installation was ridiculously easy. Just push them into the ground and let the sun do the rest. No wires, no tools. They turn on automatically at dusk and off at sunrise, which is honestly so nice and so convenient. The light is warm and surprisingly bright for something solar powered. It's not blinding, but definitely enough to clearly mark walkways and pathways around the yard. It's subtle, it's clean, and it makes the place feel really dialed in. Weather-wise, we've had everything from summer heat to snowstorms, and these lights have kept going strong. No cracks, no water issues, no fading. I was honestly expecting to replace a few by now, but every single one still works. They look good, they work reliably, and they add a polished touch to the yard without adding to your power bill. I'd absolutely recommend them if you want something simple, good-looking, and dependable. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.